I'm going to put this still weed whacker wire on this Craftsman 2-cycle weed whacker. This is 2.0 millimeters or 0.080 inches. These tabs here, you got to press them in, which I've already done. Press them in. Sometimes it can be difficult. You might have to take a little screwdriver and push them, but they just pop in and off just like that. Set that aside for now. I'll go ahead and peel off about 6 feet of this. I like this because you can put it right back in the slot there. I'll go ahead and put it right through here. I'm going to get half on each side, about 3 feet on each side. Try to get equal lengths if you can. Take the one in your left hand. You're going to want to come back through this way. Let's see, then we'll pull that there. Now what you've got, see that bottom one's going to wrap this way the same way as the top one. So you just wrap them. Now you run one end, take this, run one end through that side and the other through the other side. Because this thing's going to wind down all on its own. Take this side, go through that hole there. Then we'll pull it down. Oop. Pull it down over this. Basically the thing's going to snap on like that, and you're going to leave the long ends out the holes. See, there we go. We've got one out each side. I'll just snap the thing back on. There's a nice built-in feature I really like. Take it like that, snap it back in there. Now you got 2 long ends coming out, and you just push that in, push it in, turn, keep going until you get the length that you want. There we go. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.